Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase Zoo Miami tickets online. If you want to go ahead and skip all the annoying queues and long wait times, you can go ahead and purchase the tickets using the first link you are going to see in the description of this video. So go ahead and open up that link and it's going to take you to this page right here where you can go ahead and take a look at all the Zoo Miami experiences that you want to go ahead and choose from. So you can go ahead and select any of them, and once you do, it's going to open up this home page from where we can get started by clicking the check availability option, and it's going to show us all the available dates we have for purchasing these tickets. You can select whichever date you prefer, let's say the 11th right here, and then you can go and select what kind of ticket you want. Let's say only one adult ticket. I can add a children one if I want to as well. So you can click next to go to the experience page. It's going to show you all the similar experiences you can save money on. If not interested, just click next to go to the personal details page where we can get started filling out our personal info such as first name, last name, email address, phone number, and so on. All of that is going to be fillable out right here. And next we can go to the payment page. At the payment page, it's going to show us this new menu where we can go and take a look at all the payment options and methods we have for making the purchase. So you can go and choose from Apple Pay, debit and credit card, or PayPal. Choose whichever one you prefer. Let's say you want debit card. It's going to open up this new menu where you can get started filling out all the necessary info. Once you fill out the necessary info, it's going to enable you to make the purchase by clicking the pay button, and once you make the purchase, you can now go ahead and receive your tickets on your email address that you have used for registering your account on this platform. And there you have it guys, go to the description of the video, find the first link, open it up, and get started with getting your tickets. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.